Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Ma'am Puji and friends. We are from Group 3 and has three members. We are Septina Mulia Pratiwi, Petrina Baban, and Putri Andin Maharani. Here, our group we will present about the microbiology as applied to surgical practice. For the core of the discussion of this chapter consists of 7 things. 1. Biology of microorganisms consists of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 2. Principles of infection and pathogenicity. 3. Surgically important microorganisms. 4. Surgically important organism for the MRCS. 5. Reduction of infection in surgery. 6. Example methods of sterilization. 7. Antibiotics. Introduction. All aspects of surgical practice depend on the principle microbiology, ranging from the theatre preparation and the pre-operative theatre stuff. The topic is wide and one article will be enough to give a general understanding of microbiology. When creating this article, they considered the MRGS curriculum that provides instruction on relevant topics. This material covers the microbiology applied in surgical practice through the basic science and principles of infection, including important information about microorganisms and antibiotics that are surgically important, and the prevention of infection in surgeons. Biology of microorganisms. 1. Bacteria. Bacteria are prokaryotic cells, that is, they lack membrane-bound organelles. This means all cell continues, including DNA and enzymes, have access to all parts of the cell. Bacteria can be growth in a number of ways. 1. Oxygen demand. Aerobic bacteria require oxygen. Anaerobic bacteria require conditions without gaseous oxygen, and facultative anaerobe prefer conditions with oxygen but can tolerate anaerobic conditions. 2. Energy production. Heterotroph consume organic compounds for breakdown into energy. Autotrophs produce their own energy via photosynthesis. And 3. Seed. Cocci are round cells, Staphylococcus are from clumps, and Streptococcus are from chains. Bacilli are shaped E. coli. Vibrio bacteria are shaped like a curved Vibrio cholerae. Spirilla are long, rigid, corkscrew, spiral-shaped bacteria. Camelobacter jejuni. Next, the virus. All viruses have the same basic structure of a nucleic acid core, or RNA or DNA, surrounded by protein or capsid. Some also have an envelope around the capsid containing proteins, glycoproteins, and lipids. Viruses can be categorized by the nature of their genomes. 1. RNA virus, for example influenza viruses. 2. DNA virus, for example herpes viruses. And retrovirus are RNA-containing viruses that use their own reverse transcriptase enzymes to create DNA that gets implanted into the host cell genome, for example, HIV. And next, fungi. Fungi are eukaryotic microbes, that is, they have a nucleus within a membrane. Fungi range from microscopic unicellular organisms to multicellular organisms covering hectares of space. 1. Oxygen demand. Monokaryotic or dikaryotic. 2. Asexual or sexual reproduction. And 3. Unicellular or filamentous. This describes one of the difference between moths and yeasts. Energy production. Moths, such as Aspergillus species, grow via multiple multicellular filaments called hyphae. Filaments grow from their ends and moths are able to reproduce by spore formation. Spores can cause allergic reaction and respiratory problems such as chronic cough. Yeast such as Candida species are single-celled organisms that generally reproduce by asexual budding, in which two asymmetric cells are produced. Next, the principles of infection and pathogenicity. Infectious disease can be defined as the establishment of a microbe on or within a host, whereby it is able to cause damage resulting in clinical symptoms and signs of disease. 1. Colonization, the presence of microbes in the body without disease. 2. Flora is the entire microbial life in a particular region, for example, the intestinal flora. 3. Commensal colonization benefits the microbe but not the host. 4. Mutual both the microbe and host benefit from colonization. And 5. Parasite benefit but the host is harmed. The presentation we will continue to my partner Putri Andin.
Surgically important microorganism. Virus is the ability with which a microbe can cause infection. Factor affective microbe virus. With common example include 1. Motility, 2. Adhesion, 3. Infection, 5. Immunization, next immunosuppression, next toxin, next biofilm formation. Example gram-positive chochi, Staphylococcus aureus, and methylation-resistant Asterion MRSI, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Streptococcus pneumoniae group AB hemolytic Streptococcus. Next, Coagulus negative Streptococci as epididymis and as Haemococcus. Gram-positive bacilli, example Clostridium sp. Gram-negative bacilli, example Extractobacter E. coli, Klebsiella spp. Next, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next, Acinetobacter. Next, Helicobacter pylori. Next, Bacteroides fragilis. Next, Fusobacterium spp. Next. Surgically important microorganisms. Fungi, Aspergillus spp. and Candida spp. Mycobacteria, example Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Parasit, example Cytosoma hypotium. Virus, example Epstein-Barr virus and human immunodefensive virus. Surgical important organism for the MRCS, sterile site, blood, bone marrow, next CSF, next sinus middle ear, next lower respiration tract, next muscle or bone or joint, next liver or gallbladder, next pleura or peritoneum, next bladder and kidneys. Seed colonies with commensal flora, mouth or nose or upper respiratory tract, example as areurus. Skin, example coagulation negative Staphylococci, Corynebacterium species. Next, G tract, example Enterobacteriae. Female Jew tract, example anaerobes and Lactobacillus species. Next, urethra, example coagulation negative Staphylococcus E. coli, Lactobacilli, and anaerobe. Next. Preventing infection in surgical patients. Significant effort are taken in the surgical care of patient to minimize the risk of iatrogenic infection before, during and after surgical procedures. 1. Cleaning. Cleaning involves the removal of physical and visible debris from objects and equipment. Next, disinfection. Disinfection is the cleansing of equipment with the aim of destroying microorganisms capable of causing infection, reducing their number to a level below the infection dose. Next, high-level disinfection. When used in sufficient, consistent, and with sustainable extended export time, can destroy bacteria spore appropriately. Next, sterilization. Sterilization is the process by which all forms of pathogen are destroyed. We include all forms of microbial life, bacteria, virus, and fungi, as well as their spora. Next, prions. Human prion diseases are rare, fatal neurological disorders. The most common form is the sporadic form of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Prion disease results in rapid once severe dementia, amongst other neurological symptoms, causing death within months of onset. Next. Five, reduction of infection in surgery. Patient care. 1. Preoperative patient preparation. Risk factor management, respiratory disease, smoking, cardiac disease, gastroesophageal reflux disease. Nutrient, carbohydrate loading with high energy drinks, optimize hydration. Antibiotic, the use of prophylactic antibiotic in surgery should be minimum to reduce the risk of contributing to the emergency of multi-drug resistant infection. 2. Postoperative patient care. Early return to normal diet. Next, good direct fluid therapy to maintain normovolemia. Next, early mobilization considered of specific therapy. Next, consider of critical care admission for high-risk patients. Next. B. Antiseptic destruction of bacteria pre-existing in the surgical file. 1. Skin preparation. Hair removal, disinfection, drapes. 2. Bowel preparation. Mechanical bowel preparation involves regimen of lactate and enemas with the aim of cleaning the bowel of feces pre-ovulation. C. Asepsis, preventing the reduction of bacteria into the surgical file. 1. Theater design, air quality control, temperature control. 2. Team, access control, scrubbing and gloves, clothing, caps, masks, and shoes. Next. D. Aseptic non-touch technique. This technique is based on the principle that the key part of equipment, those parts that if colonized by microorganisms could transmit infection to the patient. They must remain in kept untouched, hands should be clean, and non-key part of equipment used to manufacture equipment. A. Hand washing, fish, alcohol gelling. Alcohol gel is effective against many microorganisms, including MRSA, and is excellent for frequent and repeat use hand washing with soap and water. Should be used for hand hygiene in environment containing close Tridium difficile and norovirus as alcohol gel is not effective for this. Next,
Example methods of sterilization had 1. Autoclaving. The process uses process steam cleaning. The temperature and duration depend on the equipment and the autoclave condition. Suitable for most reusable surgery tools, but the should be physical clean beforehand. For flex items, the standard cycle is 165 Celsius for 30 minutes, with lower temperatures possible for longer periods. 2. Dry heat. Dry heat can sterilize moisture-sensitive hair rested system using instead of forced air. Duration varies by temperature and method. Typical talking horse at 160 Celsius. It takes 60 minutes. Next. Chemicals. 1. Blood clad heat. A common liquid dessert form for exoscopies requires 2 minutes of soaking at the 2 Celsius. Following proper cleaning, it could be horses of start and many cause allergies, so alternative disinfectants should be considered. 2. Ethyl oxide. Use it movies and the heat sensitive system, like equipment with plastic or electrical parts. Third, it's told many hertz. Its operation of at most lower temperatures and that autoclaving and dry heat. High flammable and toxic. It's many used in the industrial process. Radiation. 1. Gamma induration. Substance for batch treatment of the item step to gamma induration in industrial process. Next. Beta alarms. They act to inhibit pathogen cross in the cell walls and through those affect bacteria with our cells walls. Penicillins. A penicillins in the ration in the organism like Staphylococcus aureus and the government has recognized these compounds in the reaction. The Raymond even for Staphylococcus and the ship hazards, but so little Egypt against other gram-negative and anaerobic bacteria. B. Excited spectrum penicillins, ampylase and oxomycete, more exhibit against some gram-negative bacteria like influenza. C. Actiphycoccus penicillis, Fluxalcilis and Mexilins. Substable to Staphylococcus beta lactomus Egypt again Penicillus ration aureus. D. Antisepsidola Penicillus pyrancilis. Modification of the penicillus or amplifies and active against a Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Next. Seps column rings. The beta lab ring in the first to decretion rings differ into groups depending on the spectrum and active and round of the enumeration, oral, procedural, and generation. Speculum group 2 could exhibit again many common gram-positive bacteria included S. aureus and Staphylococcus. Speculum group 3 achieve against wide range of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Used several sewage including urinary respiration. Used in the severe community cure pneumonia combonia with chlorambulia. Chevron's Down Group 5 4 achieve against most gram-negative bacteria and written gram of gram-positive bacteria. Sexurnin Group 6 gradation sequential uses with range of the several including naturalization, otis, dan external. Next. Next. Precision with spectrum beta-lactamose or ASBL and beta-lactamose ration test to beta-lactamose are common causes of the problem. Carbon dam. Beta-lactamose with the written spectrum acts as metabolite to most beta-lactamose, including those produced by gram-negative bacteria, ESBL. Carbon pen resident in the gradually step to ESBL and AMPC products organ, but underworld covered the base host all in the bone. 2. Glycopeptides. Some as many communications and the tapeline lead to company of the polygon prevent addition of the block to the cell walls. Achieve again most gram-positive bacteria including Intermos and ERSA. Negative bacteria or like molecule cannot penetrate the outer members of gram-negative bacteria. Next. Inhibited of protein system in the useful in the preventing toxic release. In the toxic shock syndrome of the even on the mitochondria related to bacteria explain some of the side effects of the sign drugs. Amnigoly just such as combination amnican straps are used in the tuberculosis, risks of the oxalate and the napscolic and restriction to drug monitoring. Tetric as doxycycline used include treatment of the Klicksteria and limit cysts or Borrelia drug heparin, and the middle include some specific cysts. 3. Macrolis such as everything snort, plumbings, and anisticillin, often used in the paste allergy to beta-lactamose. 5. Leishmaniasis such as limicillin, good active against Staphylococcus, Staphylococcus, and enderboards. Clean manicure should not be used in the conjunction with maceration of clamperhelis, as their target some ribosol seed some organism many comes. Organisms should listen adjective to most gram-positive bacteria burst. For the as the bleeding, leucism, and monosclerosis. Sipscolin is active against many gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria include Pseudomonas. Moxilexin has better active against Staph aureus and the Staph bus and the close. Conclause, basic mitochondria conclave is the code for sugar spikes, which is the axis in the membership exam. This article do not that cover in the ether field, omitting topics like sepsis, soft tissue interaction, and ferry operation were needed for the MRSCS. Okay, thank you, friends. If you have any question, write it in the column. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.
Audio Jungle.